Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this week's ManHammer portion of the workout. For those of you that do not know, this is the ManHammer. This is the world's first hammer that you can load with regular weights. It was an idea I had out of college that I patented, and it continues to be a staple of my weekly workout. It's something I like to use to explore my strength and my mobility, and to continue to progress my strength game forward. Before we begin, I want to say that the ManHammer is a piece of free weight equipment, and it comes with risk. The risk increases because you're taking this free weight piece of equipment and you are trying to strike a target with it. Naturally, if you were to miss a target and hit a body part, it's going to be devastating. I've never had it happen to me, but I've seen it happen before, and it's not pretty. So I want to say, the minute you tip the ManHammer over and you go to pick it up, you got to be on high alert. You got to think about and anticipate where the hammer's going at all times, and if the hammer begins to get away from you, whether it slips out of your hand or you take the recoil bed, be ready to bail on it. Be ready to bail and move your knees out of the way, move your feet out of the way. When you pick up the ManHammer, you need to be on high alert, and don't let your guard down, don't let your mind slip until the ManHammer's back safely resting on the ground. Looks like I need to get a new camera mount. Looks like the vibration over time has this one shot. But like any good workout session, I want to begin. I know I'm going heavy today, so I want to start right off the bat by getting my upper spine, my shoulders, my shoulder blades, and my traps. I want to get all that mobilized. I want the musculature up in that area to be able to move functionally and to get warm. God damn, it's getting frustrating. I knew when I woke up this morning I wanted to swing the ManHammer at 90 pounds. So I'm treating this set like it's a peak performance. I warmed up fully. I have full mobility going in here. When you swing a bigger hammer, it requires more leg drive. So the first thing I like to do to make this feel easier is to get my legs and my hips underneath of me. I like to be able to control the flow backwards and forwards and feel it in my toes. The second layer of this is about keeping a strong core and a neutral spine. Your spine acts as the chassis for your body. Your hips are what are driving the motion. So with a strong spine, a strong core, and your ability to bounce between your two toes, you have control of 80% of the movement. Then from there, it's just about using the momentum and centripetal force to load it in position, and then the strength to deliver it from your shoulder to the target.